Okay. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because that in it he had rested from all his work with which God had made. These are the generations of the heavens and of the earth when they were created in the day. And the Lord God made the earth and the heaven, and every plant of the field before it was in earth, and every herb on the field before it grew. For the Lord God had not caused it to rain upon the earth, and there was not a man to till the ground. But there went up